Hello, my children. Today we'll start together lesson D in Unit 6. Exercise number 1. A. Read and match the descriptions to the pictures. Here we have 4 pictures and we have 4 descriptions. We will read the description, then we will match the correct picture. Prehistoric animals. Prehistoric animals, some animals we had before in the past. Many different kinds of prehistoric creatures lived on Earth millions of years ago. Dinosaurs lived on land. A. Some dinosaurs walked on 2 legs. They ate other animals. So look at the picture. Which one walked on 2 legs? Yes, this one. You're going to write A. B. Some dinosaurs walked on 4 legs. They ate plants. Yeah, here. 4 legs. They walked on 4 legs. Other kinds of prehistoric creatures lived in the water or flew through the air. Flew is the past of fly. C. Some had big wings and flew long distances. They ate some small fish and insects. Yes, which picture? Yes, here. Big wings. You're going to write here C. D. Some swam in the ocean. They ate octopuses, fish, and other animals. Yes, here. You're going to write D. Let's find out the verbs here in the description. We have walked, we have ate, and here also walked, ate, had, flew, and ate, swam. Yes, all these verbs are in past tense. In past tense. We will explain it in this lesson. Let's answer exercise B. Write about one of these animals. What did it look like? I'm going to talk about this one. What did it look like? Can you describe it? Yes. It. We have pay attention. Pay attention. We have did. So it's past. I say it had a big body. It had a long tail and a long neck. It had a small head. How did it move? Yes, it walked on 2 legs. What did it eat? It ate other animals. So you can choose another one and write about it. Today we will learn together past simple tense. Past means happened before, not now. Already something happened before. The usage. When I use this tense, I use past simple tense to talk about things happened and finished in past. To make a positive sentence, how to make a positive sentence? Just you add ed to the verb with all subject pronouns. So past simple tense, I use it when I want to talk about something happened and finished in past, happened and finished before. To make a positive sentence or affirmative sentence, I put my subject. Subject, we said he, she, it, they, we, you, whatever. Then the verb, but pay attention that you will add ed to most verbs, then complete your sentence. Example, I visited my uncle yesterday. Yesterday, not today, yesterday. He worked hard last night. I added ed. They finished their work early last time. So to make a positive sentence in past simple, I add ed to the verb. Okay, all verbs take ed? No. Some verbs, just we change their forms. Other verbs, if they end in y, and before y we have a consonant letter. Consonant letter means all letters except the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So what are we going to do? Change Y to I and add ed. For example, verb like study, look at the letter before Y. It's D, so it's a consonant. So change Y to I and add ed. He studied English yesterday. But verb like play, before Y we have vowel, so don't change Y. She played with her friends last week. If the verb ends in E, if you have a verb and this verb ends in E, so just add D only. Change, it ends in E, it will be changed. Close, closed. For example, they changed their clothes 5 minutes ago. We have some words that we can use or show past. Like what? The word like yesterday, like last time, you can say last week, last plus time, last week, last month, last year, last Monday, last weekend, in plus year, in 1238, in 1673, in 1919, all these years are past. Or time plus ago, like 3 days ago, month ago, week ago. So all these words help you to understand what? That the sentence is in past simple tense. So I add ed in most verbs. If your verb ends in Y, change Y, and before Y you have consonant, change Y to I and add ed. If your verb ends in E, just add only D. What about the irregular verbs? Irregular verbs, we call them naughty verbs. They don't follow the rule. We can't add ed. We can't add ed. So what happens? They change the forms. We change the forms from present to past. So there are some irregular verbs that completely change their forms from present to past. And we have to memorize. We have to study them very well. So see, in the present, in past, we change it to so, swim, swam, go, went, write, wrote, give, gave, take, took, drink, drank. So in these, or with these verbs, I can't add ed. See, so, completely change it. The spelling change it. For example, I saw a big tree yesterday. I can't say I seed. No, I saw. She swam for a long distance. They wrote many letters. Nader went to school by bus yesterday. My parents gave me a gift in my birthday. So we call these verbs what? Irregular verbs. Irregular means that they don't follow the rule. We don't add ed to these verbs. How to make a negative sentence in past simple tense? Just you're going to start with the subject, then did not, then put your verb in infinitive, then complete your sentence. Example, Ali saw dolphins. Don't forget that we changed saw. The present is see. So the past is saw. If you want to use not, so it will be Ali. Then the didn't. Did not. Ali didn't see dolphins. Because after didn't, you put the verb in infinitive. Another example. They finished their work. Put not. So they didn't finish their work without ed. Pay attention. So if you have ed, delete ed. Ed with didn't. If you have the past form, change the past to the present. He swam yesterday. Put not. So he didn't. The present of swam is what? Swim. He didn't swim yesterday. And pay attention. Did not, the same as didn't. The contraction form or the short form is didn't. To make yes or no question, just start with did, then your subject, then the verb in infinitive without ed, just in infinitive. Complete your sentence and don't forget the question mark. I saw my friend Adil yesterday. To make yes or no question, just you're going to start with did. We said I, change it to you. Did you? So the present of so is what? See. So did you see your friend Adil yesterday? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Short form. Or you can write a complete form. Yes, I saw my friend Adil yesterday. If you want to say no, no, I didn't. Or no, I didn't see my friend Adil yesterday. So after didn't, put the verb in infinitive. If you have did, also the verb in infinitive. They played football last night. Start with did. Did they play football last night? Yes, they did. Short answer. Or no, they didn't. If I want a complete answer, yes, they played football last night. Or no, they didn't play football last night. So short answer or short forms like this. Complete one, you have to complete the sentence, right? Yes, then the subject and verb. So pay attention, please. How to make a WH question in past simple tense. As we talked before, just start with the question word, and we said what the helping verb is what did in past. Do you remember in present? Yes, in present we have do or does. Then the subject, then the verb, and infinitive, then complete your sentence and question mark. So again, question words like what? Why, when, where, how, what, how much, how many, which, then did, then the subject like he, she, it, they, then the verb in infinitive. Complete your sentence and the question mark. And pay attention, I said before that the part that we are asking about, we will not write it in the question. Examples. He lived in London 3 years ago. Where? So where? Did he? Where did he? The verb live in present. Pay attention in infinitive. Without D. Yes, where did he live 3 years ago? In London. Can we say, where did he live 3 years ago in London? No. They went to the cinema at 6 o'clock yesterday. What time? So what time did they go to the cinema yesterday? Yes, at 6 o'clock. She ate pizza last weekend. What did she? Change ate to the present. Eat, the infinitive. What did she eat last weekend? Yes, she ate pizza. I bought a new dress 3 days ago. When? When did you buy a new dress? So easy. Exercise 2. Listen and match. You're going to listen, then you will match in the class. Hatching dinosaurs. Here how to make a dinosaur egg. You need balloon, torn paper, pieces of paper, glue and paint. Baby dinosaurs hatched from eggs. The eggs were different color and sizes. Some were smaller than chicken eggs and others were as big as watermelons. So, number 1, you're going to blow up the balloon to the size of your egg. Then dip pieces of paper in glue. Cover balloon. Then when paper is dry, pop balloon with a pen. Number 4, paint your dinosaur egg. Now you have a dinosaur egg. Thanks for watching and wait for the next lesson. Bye bye.